everyone, it's Kaylee, and I am here with my friend. You want to introduce yourself? You're on camera. You don't want to introduce yourself, but you got to do it if you want the box. Okay. All right. Do you want to tell what's your name? No. You got the box? No. Okay. Well, his name is Xander. He's a little doesn't want to say it right now, but he's gonna take a look inside this box. It's called Little Passports, and they have a monthly adventure. And this one's called Early Explorers. It's for ages 3 to 5. So how old are you, Xander? 4. Is that between 3 and 5? Yes. Perfect. Okay. So now, do you want to try to open this? You got it? Perfect. All right. Look at that. Little suitcase. And there's a card that just has an introduction and it details the things inside. So what do you see? Oh, stickers. Okie dokie. So we got this little thing. And look, did you notice what's inside? It's got a little tag. And you can put your name and address and phone number, and then you put it on your little suitcase in case you lose it. And you can also write your name inside too. Yeah. Have you traveled anywhere before? Somewhere. Let's see. So there's a little passport to the world. You see it's got different continents in it. And different games. So you can play all these things and put them together. So this is for you. Yeah. And then you've also got stickers. You like stickers? Here's some passport stickers to go on the passport. And then here's some for the suitcase. There you go. Yeah, and they've got different continents. So we live in all the different places. You want to do it? Oh yeah, there's a train. He loves trains. There's little characters. Ooh, do you want to open this up? You want to see what this is? Do you know what that is? Wow. You want to hold up the other direction? Here. Here, I can help you. There. Look. Here it is. Do you know where we are in the world? We're right down here, North America. So you've got this. It's a map, and it shows you these are all places that exist in the world. So there you are. So you've got stickers, and you've got this little book you want to do. Let's see. And there's a big map. So you get to keep the map, and you can look at all the places in the world. And the suitcase, of course. You can put everything in here when you want to. All right. Fold this up. So what do you think? You like the book? Yeah. You got stickers. Which one's your favorite? That one? That's Europe. I'm sure you'll go there someday. Oh, it's a penguin? Antarctica? It's a good one. Do you want to go visit the penguin someday? Yeah. That'll be a good trip. So you can put them, there's some, let's see. You can put them here if you want. There's little spaces. Can you match match the name? On here, you see it says Antarctica, and it's blue, so it can fit in there. Yeah, see? There you go, you got one.
Now I want to do
Okay, you do that. So it looks like it was a hit. We're going to continue playing with it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.
Okay.